Hello everyone. Welcome to your 30-day English journey. If you've ever said, I understand English, but I can't speak it, this video is for you. You don't need expensive classes. You don't need a perfect accent. You just need this plan and 30 days of effort. Are you ready? Let's begin. Week 1, build your base. Let's start from the beginning. Day 1, learn 10 simple words. Like, eat, go, come, good, bad. Say them. Write them. Use them. Day 2, learn basic sentences. I want to eat. I like this. Repeat. Practice. Day 3, watch something short in English. Choose a topic you like. Listen. Write new words. Say them out loud. Day 4, out talk to yourself in a mirror. Say, my name is. I live in. Speak slowly. Smile. Day 5, learn questions. How are you? What do you do? Practice answering too. Day 6 are speak for 5 minutes daily. No stress. Just talk. About anything. Day 7, review everything. Test yourself. Can you say 5 full sentences now? If yes, great job. Week 2, speak every day. Day 8, learn 10 action words. Run, walk, write, cook. Day 9, copy native speakers. Watch. Pause. Repeat. Like an actor. Day 10, record yourself. Just 1 minute. Listen. Notice mistakes. Day 11, ask yourself questions. What did I eat today? Then answer in English. Day 12, try shadowing. Play English audio and speak at the same time. Match the voice. Match the speed. Day 13, join a group. Say 1 sentence in an English comment. That's how confidence begins. Day 14, read a story. Then, try telling it in your own words. You're getting stronger. Week 3, build confidence. Day 15 are talk to a friend in English. Even for 2 minutes. It counts. Day 16, learn emotion words. Happy. Tired. Excited. Say, today I feel excited. Day 17, watch English videos with subtitles. Then again without them. Day 18, write a diary. 1 small paragraph. No rules. Just write. Day 19, learn useful phrases. Can you help me? I don't understand. Practice daily life English. Day 20, use English all day. Think in English. Say what you see. Day 21, speak about your dreams. Where do you want to go? What do you want to become? You're not just learning words now. You're becoming an English speaker. Week 4, speak like a learner. Think like a native. Day 22, learn connectors. Because so, but, your sentences will grow. Day 23, describe anything. Pick an object. Say its size, color, and use. Day 24, practice pronunciation. Try tongue twisters. She sells seashells. It's fun. Day 25, roleplay. Pretend you're at a cafe. Say, can I have a coffee, please? Then answer as the barista. Day 26 are watch a story. Repeat the lines. Act it out. Day 27, give advice in English. Say it's okay. You will be fine. Even simple English helps others. Day 28, teach someone 1 thing in English. It will help you remember. Day 29, speak nonstop for 5 minutes. No thinking. Just talk. You will surprise yourself. Day 30, your final day. Record a short video. Talk about yourself, your life, your dreams. Watch it. Smile. This is your 30-day transformation. Congratulations. You followed the formula. Maybe your English isn't perfect, but now you are confident. You understand more, and you're not afraid to speak. Remember, English is not a subject. It's a habit. Practice it every day, even for 10 minutes. Thank you for learning with me. And remember, fluency is not magic. It's just daily practice. See you in the next video. And keep speaking English every single day.